Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce using version compatibility checks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand menu. Locate the WooCommerce plugin from the list of installed plugins. Check the current version of WooCommerce displayed next to the plugin name. Visit the official WooCommerce website to find the latest version information. Compare the latest version with your current version. If there's a newer version available, check the changelog provided on the website. Review any compatibility notes related to your current theme and installed plugins. Ensure that your WordPress installation is also updated to the latest version. Back up your website before proceeding with the update. This step is critical to prevent data loss if something goes wrong. Go back to the plugins section in your dashboard. Click on Update Now next to the WooCommerce plugin. Wait for the update process to complete. Once complete, check for any notifications regarding the update. Test your website functionalities to confirm everything works as expected. If issues arise, refer back to the changelog for potential fixes. Consider rolling back to the previous version if necessary. Monitor your site regularly for updates to avoid compatibility issues in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.